Hello guys, welcome back again. Hope everybody is well. So guys, today I'll introduce to you a new platform, new project. I already make a video about this project on this platform, and that was a Bangla version. So I'll talked about this video in English version. So viewers, today I'll talk about the Revenue Coin project. So guys, I already on this page, so you can see that Revenue Coin is the first revenue token in the world. So that means Revenue Coin is the first and only one revenue token in the world right now. So guys, here you can see the Revenue Coin holders fund high. About the details of the Revenue Coin, so here you can see the Revenue Coin RVC holders fund high tech companies to scale startups receiving funding, allocate up to 10% of revenues to the system purchase of RVC from the market, reducing supply and increasing value. So here you can see the details about the Revenue Coin. Here they told that the holders of the RVC coin companies scale, and they are allocate of 10% revenue to the systematic purchase of RVC from the market. So it's a very good opportunity for the RVC holders. So here you can see that they already running a public sale, and the public sale already sold. Already 96% token already sold on public sale. So there's only 4% remains on the public sale. So here you can see the public sale rate about the RVC token. Here you can purchase 1 BNB equal to 44,444 RVC token from here. So viewers, right now the price of in public sale 44,444 RVC token per BNB on this platform. So guys, this token is very good in future, because the roadmap of this project and the partnership of this project and the investors of this project is very good and very experienced. So viewers, I'll recommend to you can purchase this token, because the token is looks like a very bullish in future. So viewers, here you can see the graph about the token raised systems. Here you can purchase minimum 1 BNB. Here you can see the rate about the purchase of this token. Here you can max in the stage. Here you can purchase max this amount in this Revenue Coin purchase system. So here you can see that already 32 lakhs 26,443 million dollars already sold on the public sale. So only some amount of remains of this public sale. So we are hurry up to buy this token, because the token is very soon will reach the 100%. So viewers, if you don't miss the project, so you need to buy this token right now, because the token is a very well planned token, and the token is very bullish in future. So here you can see the white paper of this project. Here you can see the panel of this project. Here you can see the Telegram. You can ask anything about this project on their Telegram. Here you can click on join us, and you can simply join their Telegram and ask anything about this project, and they are really helpful, they are really friendly. So you can ask anything about this project on their Telegram. So here you can see the what's going on, breaking news. There is some article, some news about the Revenue Coin. Here you can see the Revenue Capital to expand into the Middle East private wealth markets. Revenue Coin partners with AIBC Summit to support blockchain startups. And here you can see the news are recently updated and recently published. Here you can see the 18 November this article, this news was published, and this news was published in 13 November 2021, and that means 1 week ago. So viewers, here you can see the public sale. I will show that in the upper. So viewers, ringing in our public sale starting today. So public sale is already ongoing. So viewers, public sale will end very soon, hopefully, and the sale will end in 14 days. That means only 2 weeks left, and there is only 4% left in the public sale round rest for the rest of the maximum amount. So viewers, here you can see the some features about the some video about the revenue coin ecosystem explained. Here you can see the how to earn the revenue coin, what is revenue coin, how is it changing the game of crypto investor and startup. Here you can see the this video for the more knowing everything about the revenue coin. So you need to simply click on this and you can know more about the revenue coin. How does revenue coin work? Here you can see the how does revenue coin work. Revenue coin is a BEP20 token, we already know that, an integral part of the revenue capital ecosystem which serves promising high-tech companies by distributing funds and ensuring access to a shared customer base. Revenue coin tokenomics stimulates the growing demand of RBC tokens over time. So here you can know more about the revenue coin on this, how they are working on the field. So viewers, here you can see the more and more updates about this project. Here you can see that the companies buys the revenue coins. Here you can see the companies grow and their revenue increases. Here you can know more and more about the revenue coin project. Here you can see that the capital goes to young companies. Here you can see the token purchase from the market. Here you can know everything about this, about all of thing of revenue coin on this platform, on this website. I'll here you can see the graph of the revenue coin, how revenue coin will start and how they work. Here you can see the graph of this project. Here you can see the they are clearly mentioned each and everything about this project on there on this graph. So viewers, here you can see the more benefits of RBC holders. Here you can see the exchangeability, hidden products, voting rights, liquidity, payment of funds from. If you bought this token, you can available, you can use all of this. You can do you can you can do all of the you can. And here you can see the facilities of this project. Here you can see the benefits. You can all eligible, if you Buddhist technique, you can eligible to benefits of this platform like these features. So here you can see the more about the revenue coin. Why will revenue coin value increase? Here you can see the why revenue coin value will be increased in future. So right now 1 BNB equal to 44,444 RBC. So why the token price will grow in future, why the token prices increase in future? Here you can say they told a statement about this. Revenue coin is a deflectionary token, its quantity is fixed, a smart contract. So here they told the revenue coin is deflectionary token, and the quantity and the supply is on fixed in a smart contract. So no chance to burn, no chance to for smart contract. So here you can see the RBC supply on the market decreased due to monthly buyback and burning of tokens, which are companies from the revenue capital ecosystem are obliged to do by allocation up to 10% of their revenue to this end. In addition, the temporary blocking of RBC held by the team and large investor protects it against sudden price falls. So here you can see the more info about why the token price value is increased in future. So here you can see the tokenomics about this project. Here you can see the growth model about this project. Here you can see the growth model about this project. Here you can see the value of the revenue coin in future. Here at the beginning, that means and the listing will be 0.49 USD after 2 years, 1.21 USD after 5 years. This is a prediction about the token in future. So I'll recommend you can purchase this token because the token is like bullish in future. So here you can see the portfolio system about this project. Here you can see the some news about this project. Here you can see the revenue, the first revenue token in the world. You need to if you want to both, you need to simply buy or click on buy RBC token, and then sign up and click deposit, and you can simply purchase this token. You can also click here for purchase token. So here you can see the fund distribution and token distribution system. Here you can see the investment perspective, startup 80%, others 20%. Here you can see the investment 50%, others 50%. So here is a clearly showing that the fund distribution and token distribution graph. So here you can see the whitelisting and public sale. Here you can see the private sale, public sale system. And here you can see the roadmap about this project, and already they complete this roadmap, and upcoming roadmap is Q4 2020, Q1 2021. They all will complete also this roadmap in future, obviously, because the project is a real project and the project future is very good and bright. If you want to know about more about this project, you can simply click here and you will know about the project. Here, if you want to know more about this project, you can simply contact their Telegram. So here you can see the team members of this project, Jarek, Bialek, Pascheck, and they are very experienced in cryptocurrency history. So guys, they are really good members. Here you can see the advisors of this project. They are really experienced and famous and very good persons. So we are all more and more very much advisors on this project, on this platform. So viewers, if you want to purchase this token, I'll recommend you can purchase this token. Here you can see the trade revenue coin before public sale. If you want to trade RBC token, you can find out, click on this find out more, and you can sell your RBC token on PancakeSwap easily. So if you want to purchase this token, you can simply buy RBC token and you can board this token. So guys, here you can see the media partners of this project. They are very so much experience and big platform on this project are partnered. So here you can see the more and more partners of this project. If you want to know anything about this project more, you can simply email there, and also you can contact there via email. So viewers, and that's all of my video. If you want to purchase this token, you need to hurry up for purchase this token, because only 4% left in public sale, and only 2 weeks left in the time period. So guys, that's all of my video. I'll recommend you can purchase this revenue token, because the token is the first and only one revenue token in the world. So here's that's all of my video. So thanks to all of you. Thank you.